Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another new arrival bag to show you guys, a video tour of this vintage Coach geometric clutch bag. And as you can see, it's a white bag, and the style number for geometric clutches was 9044, and this specific bag here was made in the US in 1997. So I'll go ahead and give you a closer view of the bag now. As you can see, it's got a top handle, and here's the side and the back. And as you can see, it does have a nice slip pocket back here. And of course, I've got the hang tag attached to the top handle. Here's the other side and the front again. And then it's got a turn lock closure so we can open it up, and then this is what the inside looks like. So here's the inside of the bag. It is a smaller bag, and it does have a zip pocket back here, and the creed of course is back there. So here's what the creed looks like. So if we just tuck the straps inside the bag, we can just carry it as a clutch. So it is pretty versatile. It can either be a shoulder bag, or as you can see, it can be a clutch. So it's obviously a pretty cute and versatile small bag. It reminds me of the geometric top handle bag, which I've also sold a couple of in the past. But it is really cute, and I'm guessing it'll probably sell relatively quickly. So of course, I'll go ahead and link it below if you want to check it out in our Etsy shop. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.